In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check conversions in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, sign into your Google Ads account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, so you're reviewing the right campaign data from the start. After that, give the Google Ads dashboard a moment to fully load. This is important because some menus and reporting options may not appear correctly until everything is ready. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Campaigns. From there, select the specific campaign you want to review. This will take you into the performance view for that campaign. Next, choose either Ads and Assets or Ad Groups depending on the level where you want to analyze performance. If you want a broader look, Ads and Assets can be useful, while Ad Groups can help you review results in a more segmented way. Now, above the Performance table, click the Columns icon. This is where you can customize which metrics are visible in your report. From the menu that appears, select Modify Columns. In the column settings, open the Conversion section. Here, you'll see several conversion-related metrics that you can add to your table. Check the boxes for the conversion metrics you want to view. For example, you might choose conversions, conversion value, or cost per conversion, depending on what kind of insight you need. If you're focused on performance efficiency, cost per conversion is especially helpful. If you want to understand the revenue impact of your campaigns, conversion value can be very useful. Once you've selected the metrics you want, click Apply to update the table. The performance table will refresh, and you'll now be able to review your conversions data directly within the campaign view. Take a moment here to look through the numbers carefully so you can understand how your campaign, ads, or ad groups are performing. If you want to go a step further and view more detailed information about the specific conversion actions set up in your account, click Tools and Settings in the top menu. Under the Measurements section, select Conversions. This area gives you a complete list of all conversion actions currently configured in the account. From here, you can review all conversion actions that have been set up and confirm what Google Ads is tracking. This is especially helpful if you want to verify that your reporting matches your goals. Thanks for watching.